Is the transformational power of that technology, the free flow of information. The idea that anyone can say anything, anyone can read anything, anyone can speak about anything, without control, without a license, without a qualification, without a diploma, without a certificate, without identity, without censorship, is terrifying. For my generation and the generations that follow, it is not only liberating, it is normal. It enables the free flow of money and also the free flow of trust across the world to anyone, regardless. It is the internet adding the free flow of money to the freedoms it already gives us. The idea that anyone can send money to anyone without asking, without permission, without control, without censorship, without ID, is terrifying. My generation finds it liberating. The generation after mine sees it as normal.